This is a video inspection of the Mori Seiki SLOH. It's got a MISC control. Hey guy, just kill it for 1 second. I'm gonna do a video real quick. We're just gonna run it through a quick program here. How many RPM?
About 2,500.
2,500? 3,000? What's the top RPM of it? 6,000 RPM? Good. That's good. Cool.
Nice little.
Thank you. Yeah, it is
This
a nice
has
machine.
a fairly new spindle too.
It does?
I think I told you.
So the spindle was replaced
I'd say 3-4 years.
3-4 years ago?
And we didn't get much run out of it. I mean, we don't ever do lathe work.
Good deal. This concludes the video inspection of the Mori Seiki SLHO.